Atkins Fabrication and then some. How y'all doing out there, man? Hey, listen, quick little video, not real long. I finished up the machining on the tool post grinder. There we go. Okay, I did some back machining on this to get it to get a little closer there. Yeah, recess the nuts. Ow! Watch yourself. Anyway, yeah, the problem I might have is it actually, right, might have to remake it again or come up with another mounting process. But if anything, I'd probably make it again just because I had fun making it in the first place. Now I know I can cut a lot of it off with the hacksaw way before I get into milling it. But it was fun. You know what I mean? I was cutting chunks off just to see if it would throw it at me. You know, sometimes you got, hey, better to do it when you expect it than not expect it, right? So, I would try cutting deep into it and cut chunks off, and I tell you what, it worked out well. I was blessed. The experience is. Now I know why there's machinists, and I wish I would have done it a long time ago. I really do. But I'm here now. Let's get it in, right? Let's not waste no time. I'm 45. I turn 46 next month. Whew. Hey, we ain't got a lot of time, baby. Anybody needs any parts made, holler at your boy fast. Might get them on def discount. Anyway, right? Listen, I'm only playing, man. You know, the Reaper's at our door every day, Jack. So, you know, there's truth in every joke. You never know. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, we done a good job with this. I'm really happy with what I did. Any of y'all see anything, man? Hey, let me know. What do you think? You know, about what you see. I'm just doing a little tool post grinding. I'm just trying to get my jaws corrected, my little 100mm chuck. It's not like I'm grinding a big, you know, 10-inch, you know what I mean, a Cushman chuck. You know what I mean? Like, I'm not doing that. I'm grinding a little 100mm Chinese Weber that they won't even, you know, respond back to me and sorry for your luck or anything like that. I bought 3 4-jaw chucks and a 3-jaw chuck from these people, and I'm sure other things as well that I can't think off the top of my head right now, but I'm quite sure there's other things as well, and they couldn't even respond back to me. To me, that's just bad business. So if I got to pay a little bit more from now on, I'm just going to go somewhere else, man, because I just don't like the way Weber treated me. I see them doing with these other guys, right? They sponsor them, they send them tools and all that stuff. Man, I'm not asking for no tools, and I'm not asking for nothing extra. I clearly got a video showing how far those jaws are out. Now, the jaws, the outer jaws, they're good. They're perfect. But the regular jaws, they're no good, man. I mean, I thought it was my tail stop. I thought my lathe was all out of whack. No, man. I put this collar chuck on there and cut straight as an arrow. I mean, you get ticks out of tink, 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 but it goes right back to 0. I'm trying to tell you that them chuck jaws are just no good. So I'm just trying to grind them back. But listen, I'm not a fan of Weber. Not Weaver or Weaver or Viver or whatever. I don't know exactly. VEVOR, them guys with the yellow tag, and yeah, them guys. Yeah, you know who they are. I told them that I had a YouTube channel, and I told them that I was going to do a review. Don't make me talk bad about you. You know what I'm saying? To me, that's extremely disrespectful to treat a customer that way. Yo, if any of y'all are my customers, bro, and there's something that I do and you don't like it, please contact me so I can fix it. Because I know there's individuals, and each individual has a different preference So I know I may not please everybody every time. But I also don't, I hear this thing croaking. But I also, I don't, you hear him? Weird. He only comes out at night. So yeah, like, yeah, I just, I do it. I just want to do it right. Look at that. There's the finger. The infamous finger, y'all. Look at that. She's healed. Man, I heal up. I'm an alien. I heal up fast, bro. But I'm just saying, like, man, listen. Birdhouses. Hey, listen, I want to show y'all something, man. Check this birdhouse out that I did this in the last. Hey, let's not talk like that. I put a lot of love and soul in this. I don't care how long it took. Look at that. There's the roof. There's the birdhouse. This is the slanted birdhouse. It slants. It's like slants in and in. You know what I'm saying? Ever so slightly. Like not drastic. You know what I mean? Just ever so slightly. And when I pressed it together, my wood kind of had a little crack in it. So I threw glue inside of that bad boy. So now, once that glue dries, that's it. That thing will never, ever. You hear me? I mean, ever. And then here's the roof. The roof is not on fire. We still need to build it. Don't let it burn, huh? I'm just saying, right? Look at that cigarette all on my soul, man. Who did that? That guy's gonna get fired. Hey, you're fired. Anyway, I'm just saying, birdhouses for sale. You know what I mean? Like, I'm thinking about taking this one here, right? And what I want to do is the holes in it, when they come in here, I want these holes to be bored out. Because I don't want this to screw. I want this to screw into this. But I want it to screw past it. I think I might have to get full thread though. That's my only problem. Because this is about as thick as this board is. Right? And I want it to thread past it. And this to just swing. Right? Just this side door. Okay? That way, when the bird leaves the birdhouse, right? When it's done doing what it's doing, and it actually leaves the birdhouse, then we can actually take and open it and go inside of it, get the nest out, throw. Oh, good Lord, yo, I'm gonna bust my whole hand open. I'm trying to tell you, bro. Open it, throw the whole mess out. I'm trying to be slick and do hand motions to try to make it look good and all. I banged my finger. I didn't bust it or nothing. That thing's strong, man. But throw it out, right? And then, be able to fold it back in and close it and still reuse the thing like it never happened. You know what I'm saying? So, like, yeah, really cool. Like, I'm saying, like, that, to me, that's just really, and you see the stitches are gone too, right? Pretty much. Look at this. See that one lonely stitch just sticking in there right now? The rest of it's gone now. What is that? Oh, that's just peeling skin. So I don't feel like it's infected or not. But, yeah. And then I got these screws here that I'm going to use, which are fine, very fine head. And they're good wood screws. They're decking screws, pretty much. But these will hold this together great. So, I got plenty of them. So, why not just use that on here, too? You know what I mean? Like, this is why I collected these things over the years. Oh, man, let me tell you something, right? Don't listen to that nonsense about being a pack rat. One man's trash is another man's treasure. If you know in your head You know in your head that one day I'm going to use that. When you put that up, you're always going to subconsciously know where that is. And one day you're going to go back to it and you're going to use that. If it's to be spiteful, as in the fact that, man, I told her I was going to use it. I'm not going to let that get away. I'm using that. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, that kind. Or the kind that just loves to do the stuff that we do, right? Get away and just let the mind go and just make something that you want to make. Create something that you want to create. Offer the world a piece of you. We got to make Lillian a birdhouse, y'all. So that's coming up. I want to make her a birdhouse. I don't want to make her no teen. I don't want to make her a big old birdhouse either. She'll start playing with her Barbies in it. The dollhouse I always wanted, Daddy. Why are the doors so small? So, like, I don't know about this one per se. But coming up here soon, I want one of these to be hers. It might even be this one, to be honest with you. I miss my baby girl. I miss Saturday. Her mom's all mad at me, man. Listen, I miss Saturday. It was my fault. I came down here to get the birdhouse done for Frank. I was thinking I was going to get paid. He was home from the hospital. He was in the hospital from last Saturday all the way to Thursday. Friday, something like Thursday or Friday. So anyway, I had used the money that I had left over to go towards things that I needed for the milling machine, which was irresponsible of me because now I had to push, right? When I could have waited and been patient. But when it comes to that, I'm like a little girl in a candy store, like, I want it. You know what I'm saying? So I got it. It's mine. Now, I don't owe. It's brand new. I don't have to worry about it. You know what I mean? Like, there's a couple upgrades that I want to make. I want to upgrade the head thing. The gears in it. I want to take the plastic gears out of it and put the metal gears in it. Hands down, quick. But I got to find a place that I can get them. You know, like before with a lathe, I could get the gears off AliExpress. And they were cheaper, but they were great gears. I got them gears. I had never had a problem with none of them. I heard one guy say, "Oh, I can install all of them but one." Why? I installed all of them, and it ran great for me. Never seized up, nothing. I actually ran better for me with the metal gears than it ever did with the plastic gears. So I don't know what the problem was, but that's what I need to find for this. I need to find the metal gears at a cheaper price, hopefully. And the headstock upgrade, like there's a pulley upgrade on it. I'd like to do that. The pulley turns into a two-step pulley. There's no pulley now. It's just a high and low gear. Well, I believe you get to keep the high-low gear. The high-low gear ratio. Why am I doing it this way? The high-low gear ratio right here. I believe you get to keep that. But what it is up here, this comes out of here and an aluminum piece goes into it and this sits down on it and you got a two-step pulley on it. So I believe you got a two-step pulley which gives you speed, and then you got the high-low gear which gives you speed. Right? But the thing is that you can literally hear the plastic in it. Listen. You hear that? You hear that? That's the plastic. That's that plastic reacting to such a high speed. Meshing together at some them teeth. Right? So, the way to alleviate that, and the way to I mean, you won't have any grinding and stripping either, because you'll have the metal gears, and the torque that the machine has will handle it. Anyway, y'all, I gotta make this next bus. I wanted to show you that and show you the birdhouse real quick. Everything's lays beautiful. Shop is amazing. We was using a table saw today. You know what I mean? We finally made it official, and we screwed down the milling machine. Atkins Fabrication and then some. Hey, man. To all my addicts out there, happy 4th of July to y'all if I don't talk to y'all before then. Do me a favor. Hit that subscribe, like, and share button for me, man. I really appreciate that, bro. You know what I mean? It's coming up to 8:30 at night. I'm trying to get this video done and get out of here. You can see I'm tired, man. Still got to catch the bus and go to my brother's and then go all the way home. So I got to get off the bus, get back on the bus. So, hey, I love doing this, man. Thank y'all for giving me a reason to do it. I mean that from the bottom of my heart, man. I love y'all for that. Thank you for giving me a reason. All 134 of y'all. And then everybody else who just views the videos. You might not subscribe, but man, hey, thank you for viewing my videos, man. Hit that like and share button, man. But hey, it's free, bro. Hit that subscribe button, man. I really, really appreciate that. More to come. More to come. I'll show y'all how I put that birdhouse together tomorrow. When I come down here, I'll bring a tip with me. We'll put that birdhouse together. I'll show you how I'm going to do it. But other than that, enjoy your evening. Thank you for watching Atkins Fabrication. And then some. We're out of here. Yo just croaked. You hear him? Listen. You heard him? He playing with y'all, man. Liam said that ass. Alright. Gotta go get this bus. Probably already missed it because y'all. It's y'all's fault. I love y'all. I'm out, man. Hit that subscribe button, man. Tell everybody about us. Order a birdhouse. And if you need something machine, hey, holler at me. You know why? Because I got a milling machine to leave. Out of here. See ya.